10 small machines available on Amazon that can help you start your home manufacturing business and literally start printing money as we speak. These machines are cheap and they can produce value that people can start paying you for. Now, the first on my list when it comes to this machine that you can use to start your home-based manufacturing business is the Creality Ender 3 version 2 3D printer. This printer is very good in creating prototype, custom items and small parts, right? One of the benefits of this particular printer is the fact that it is very affordable and reliable with a large community for support and resources. With this printer, you can start your own homemade manufacturing business and start printing things like mug, like t-shirts and what have you. That is why this particular printer right now on Amazon is currently trending and people are buying it because they are making so much profit with the business associated with this printer. Now, machine number 2 that you can use to start printing money right now is the Glowforge Plus 3D laser printer, right? Laser printer. This laser printer is used for cutting and engraving materials like wood, leather, acrylic and fabric. Already you can see a lot of business opportunity what you can do with all this stuff. You can literally be printing anything that you want to print on leathers, on acrylics, on different t-shirts and clothes, and this 3D printer is what you need. Plus the fact that this machine is easy to use with precise laser cutting and engraving capabilities. Especially if you are looking for a laser printer, then this is the laser printer to go for. Now, machine number 3 that you can use to start printing money from home as a home manufacturing business owner is Cricut Maker 3. Now, Cricut Maker 3 is used for cutting over 300 different types of materials, including fabrics, leather, paper, and balsa woods. You can see how useful this machine is. No wonder people are using it to make so much money manufacturing different things from the comfort of their home. Now, the benefit is the fact that it has a wide use case, and as a matter of fact, you can even start a DIY project with a small scale manufacturing business idea. You can start making up to $1,000 to $10,000 per month by having this printer alone and using it for home-based manufacturing business. Now, machine number 4 you can use right now to start printing money from your home is the Vevo heat press machine. This is one of the latest machines that can be used to print on t-shirts, on mugs, on hats, and on other merchandise. If you want to start your own custom t-shirt business, then this is the machine. It is durable and very efficient and is suitable for starting a custom apparel business. As you can see, the use case here is superb, and this is what you can use to start printing money from home as a small manufacturing business owner, right? The next one here is the Sawgrass Virtuoso 5G500 sublimation printer. Now, this printer does magic when it comes to printing high image qualities on things like mugs, phone cases, and other items. This is the printer you practically need. And one good thing about this printer is the fact that it does professional grade prints with vibrant colors, right? And this is ideal for custom product making business. If you want to go into making custom products, why not? This printer is the ideal printer. Now, the next machine is gonna make you a millionaire in no time, and this is the Brother PE800 embroidery machine. One of the major important use case of this particular machine is the fact that it can be used for customizing clothes, accessories, and home textile with embroidery, right? You know, all these beautiful, nice designs that you see on different clothes, all this Gucci and the rest, you see, yes, that is the machine they use in creating and putting those stuffs on. And when it comes to using this machine, it's highly user friendly and it can be used for a wide range of designs. And that is one good thing about it. So my next money making machine is gonna be the mofon CNC 3018 Pro routing machine. This machine has diverse and important use cases such as milling, engraving, and cutting of wood, cutting of plastics, and as a matter of fact, it can be used on soft metal as well. Now, the benefit of having this machine is the fact that it's compact, like very small, and also it has a very versatile use case, and it's great for creating intricate designs and prototype of different type of woods, plastics, and engraving needs. This machine is what you need if you want to go into this type of business. Literally, it will help you to start printing money. Now, where are my foodies? If you know you love food and you love food business, then this next machine is the machine for you. It's the Kori Premium Food Dehydrator, right? It can be used for drying fruits, vegetables, jerky, and also to preserve food. As you can see, the use case of this machine is numerous. And one good thing about this machine is its high capacity with adjustable temperature control, and this is ideal for food preservative business. So you want to start a food preservative business such as fruit drying business, then this machine is what you need. This dehydrator is perfect for such a business to help you start printing money from home. Now, do we have seamstress and tailors and fashion designer in the house, and you are looking at starting your business from home? This is the machine you need, the Singer heavy duty 4452 sewing machine, right? As we all know, this can be used to sew heavy fabrics, making custom clothing and textile products. If you are a seamstress or you want to go into the fashion design business, this is exactly what you need. And for the fact that it is robust and it is very fast, so this is perfect for handling various sewing projects that can literally help you to start making your money from your home. Alright guys, the next machine is a machine that you will need, especially if you love the food and bakery business. If you're into food and bakery, then this is the machine that you need right now. It's the mini donut maker machine. That is exactly what you need on Amazon. Go click the link below and go and get this machine right now for your home-based bakery business. This can literally be used to bake donuts that you can start selling in your business. The good thing about this machine is the fact that it's very easy to use. Even if you've never used machine to bake before, you will be able to use this one because of its simplicity and very clean. It allows you for fast production and also delicious treats with nice designs. This is what you need for you to start your own bakery business. All these tools, link to them below on the Amazon store. Go and get them and start your business. You can see different variety of business you can start and start printing money with these machines. If you want to know top business that I recommend that you can use these machines to start and use and start making money, go and watch this particular video here and start to print your money. See you in the next one.